Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making one of my favorite chicken recipe. Let's see how to make lemon chicken. This recipe has the combination of sweet and tangy flavor. So let's see how to make it. Here I've taken around 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Let's marinate it with some chili sauce, crushed garlic, crushed ginger and some soy sauce. Mix it really well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you need to coat the chicken pieces with flour. There is an easy method to do that. Take a Ziploc bag, add some flour and add all the marinated chicken pieces in it. Add some more flour on top of it, then seal the bag and then just shake it. After a few minutes of shaking, you can see all the chicken pieces have well coated with the flour. Now heat some oil. I have taken these chicken pieces into a strainer so that you can get rid of all the excess flour from it. Now start frying these chicken pieces. So our chicken pieces are fried and ready. Now let's move on to the final part. Take some chicken stock in a bowl. If you don't have it, you can use water. Add some soy sauce, some sugar and some lemon zest. Mix this all together. Now into a pan, add some oil, add crushed ginger, crushed garlic and saute it for a few seconds. Now add in the sauce with the sugar. Mix it. Now once the sugar gets dissolved, add some fresh lemon juice. Mix it and bring it to boil. Once this liquid comes to a good boil, add some cornflour slurry. Mix it and when it reaches a thicker consistency, turn off the flame. Now our sauce is ready. Take all the fried chicken pieces into a bowl. Add the required amount of sauce in it and just give it a good toss. When you mix the chicken and the sauce, you can see the beautiful glaze it's getting. So our delicious, sweet and tangy lemon chicken is ready. When you serve it, you can sprinkle some white sesame seeds and some lemon wedges. These each chicken pieces I have well coated with the lemon sauce. Oh, it is so yummy. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and do watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.